you all on some gun safety tips and tricks. Informing you all on some firearm safety tips. You want me to get that?
Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
Hi everyone, it's Two Brothers of Pearson Project and welcome to Gun Safety Sundays.
Yes, that is right, Gun Safety Sundays, where we will come every Sunday with a short informative video on firearm safety tips and tricks about firearm safety.
Yes.
Today we will be discussing how to transport your firearm in a motor vehicle.
Did you know that depending on your county residence and state, that you could be charged a felony charge of improper use of a firearm if your firearm is not safely stored in your motor vehicle?
Yes, that is correct. Improper use of a firearm is a potential charge that could be obtained if you do not properly transport your firearm separately from the ammunition in your motor vehicle.
So now your gun's confiscated, you caught a felony charge, and now you will no longer be able to legally purchase a firearm in your name. It sounds a bit counterintuitive, so make sure you follow these precautions when transporting your firearm in your motor vehicle.
Step 1, make sure your firearm is unloaded. Although, dependent on some states and jurisdictions, you can ride in with a loaded firearm. This is just when traveling across state lines and you are unaware of the firearm laws and regulations. So first things first is we want to make sure that our ammunition is unloaded from our firearm, and we want to have our magazine that houses our ammunition and our firearm separate and inaccessible to one another.
So like my magazine in my trunk?
Absolutely. So this is our magazine with our loaded ammunition in it. We would want this separately stored in ideally our glove compartment, and then we have our firearm where we would store this in our trunk.
Yes, because oftentimes a lot of people have been getting jammed up with these unnecessary charges because their firearms are not safely stored and they're just uneducated on how to properly transport their firearm.
Correct. So that is why we are here, just to give you a short informative video of what to do. 1, make sure your firearm is unloaded. 2, separate the ammunition and the firearm. So they can't be in the same car. Not the same car, excuse me. They can be in the same car, but they can't be near each other. So magazine and glove compartment, firearm and trunk.
Yes.
Got it? Got it.
All right, so that's all we have today for Gun Safety Sundays. Make sure you tune in with us next Sunday.
With love, Two Brothers of Pearson Project. 2 brothers, 2 lives, gone too soon. Thank you.
But the one in front of the gun lives forever.